Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Question Mark. Today we're going to do a demonstration of what we do at our NTCA workshops. We're going to mix a bag of mortar, right? I know a lot of you think that, hey Mark, mixing mortar, I do that every day, I know how to do that. Well, the truth is, I want you to take a look at how you mix mortar and think about it. I want you to think about the manufacturer's instructions they put on the back of the bag. It's chemistry in the bag. And the chemical engineers that develop these products, they want you to mix the mortar based on their instructions. And right here on the back of the bag, we'll see the instructions that the manufacturer has put there for us. So let's take this water that we've measured out. Have all of my powder in. I'm going to mix some more. My vacuum will come on automatically. The vacuum is on and it's collecting the dust as we mix. Now notice, I'm not lifting this mixture up and down. I'm just merely letting the mixture do its work. I'm not bringing any air at all into the mix. There, now my mortar is all mixed, my vacuum has shut off automatically, and I'm just going to go ahead and leave my mixer rest right there while that mortar slakes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I've been taking care of some other errands. I'm ready to remix my mortar and I'm ready to set tile. So let's just remix that mortar. We can take our vacuum off at this point. We started out by selecting the right mortar for the job. Then we read the manufacturer's instructions. We measured out the correct amount of water. We mixed a full bag of mortar using a great mixing technique, using a HEPA vac to collect any dust so it didn't get out into the atmosphere, and helping us meet the OSHA regulations for silica control. We slaked the mortar. We mixed it for the right amount of time, and then we remixed it. Now we're ready to go ahead and set tile. And we'll have a great installation because we know the proper troweling techniques to use next. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching Question Mark, and we'll see you next time.